Let me ask you a question. If I promise to give you 10 really say to say in your job interview, that would increase your chance of your success. Would you want to this video from start to finish? Well, if the answer is yes, stay tuned because that is exactly what I am about to do. Give you 10 great things to say that will guarantee you will impress any hiring managers. Just for very quickly, if you only new to the channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you are passing the videos either the first time. I will only have you if I subscribe, please give it a like itself. Well, even motivate me to create more content for you. Okay, let's jump straight into it. Okay, let's get started with the first of those 10 questions you can say in order to easily face the competition. Please take notes. The first thing is to say is to thank you right where we start the interview.